Hi everyone. In this summer season, using a face pack regularly can help to improve the overall health and appearance of your skin, leaving it looking and feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. So today I am here with a DIY face mask. Multani Mitti. Multani Mitti is a natural cleanser with various skin benefits, including oil reduction, acne treatment, skin toning, leveling, and brightening. Honey. Honey's natural humectant properties make it an effective moisturizer. The enzyme activity in honey enables it to penetrate deeply into the skin and bring hydration to the underlying layers. Rose water. Rose water is an antibacterial. It fights off bacteria that could lead to infection. It balances pH level and hydrates the skin, giving it soothing and calming effect. Yogurt. Yogurt contains a lot of lactic acid, which helps boost our skin's overall glow and leaves our skin with a brighter and more even toned complexion. So now let's start the step-by-step procedure to make this effective face mask. In a clean bowl, take 2 tablespoons of multani mitti, add 2 teaspoons of rose water, add 1 teaspoon of honey and add 2 teaspoons of curd. Mix this mixture thoroughly and make it a thick paste like consistency, and our face pack is ready to use. Combining multani mitti with rose water, yogurt, honey or other natural ingredients creates a potent face pack that cleanses, nourishes and revitalizes the skin, addressing various skincare concerns and promoting a healthy and radiant complexion. Apply the pack to clean skin, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes or 80% dried. Then rinse off with lukewarm water. Use it regularly 1 to 2 times per week. This results in plumper, softer skin with a natural radiant glow. It also fades acne marks and helps in skin brightening. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.